What's up everyone, if you're seeing Valorant Error Code VAN79, don't stress, it usually comes down to a problem with Riot's anti-cheat system. But don't worry, it's fixable. So first, simply try restarting your PC, then run Valorant as an administrator. So to do this, simply right-click the game shortcut and select Run as Administrator. So if it still pops up, make sure Vanguard, which is Riot's anti-cheat, is installed and running on your PC. So to check, simply press Windows +R at the same time, then type services.msc. Next, you're then going to have to check that Riot Vanguard is running. If not, simply reinstall Vanguard through the Valorant installer. Now, another thing is to simply temporarily disable any third-party antivirus or firewall that might be blocking Vanguard. And after that, you can then try launching the game and the VAN79 error should be gone, letting you jump back into matches without any issues. And that's really it. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.